Iran is a vast mountainous country, covering approximately 1.65 million square kilometers, making it the second largest in the Middle East and the 17th largest in the world. It borders Iraq to the west, Turkey, Azerbaijan, and Armenia to the northwest, the Caspian Sea to the north, Turkmenistan to the northeast, Afghanistan to the east, Pakistan to the southeast, and the Persian Gulf and Gulf of Oman to the south. The landscape is diverse, featuring arid deserts like the Dasht-e-Kabir and Dasht-e-Lut, towering mountain ranges such as the Zagros and Elburz, and fertile plains along the Caspian coast. Key waterways, including the Strait of Hormuz, are strategically vital, channeling about 20% of global oil trade. With a population exceeding 92 million, Iran ranks as the 17th most populous country globally. It is ethnically diverse, with Persians comprising about 61%, followed by Azeris 16%, Kurds 10%, and smaller groups like Lurs, Arabs, Baloch, and Turkmen. The capital, Tehran, is a bustling metropolis of over 9 million, serving as the political, economic, and cultural hub. Iran's history spans millennia, often referred to as Persia in historical contexts. Urban settlements date back to 4000 BCE, and the Achaemenid Empire, 559 to 330 BCE, under Cyrus the Great, established one of the world's first superpowers. Subsequent eras included the Parthian and Sasanian empires, which influenced global culture through advancements in art, science, and administration. The modern era began with the 1906 Constitutional Revolution, creating Asia's first parliament in an Islamic country. Oil discovery in 1908 drew imperial powers, leading to the 1925 Pahlavi dynasty. The 1979 Islamic Revolution overthrew the monarchy, establishing a theocratic republic under Ayatollah Khomeini, blending elected institutions with clerical oversight. Iran's economy is heavily oil-dependent, with vast reserves fueling exports. However, international sanctions, corruption, and mismanagement have led to sustained contraction and high inflation. The rial has devalued sharply, losing over 40% since the 2025 Israel-Iran conflict and nearly 90% since US sanctions in 2018. Despite diversification efforts into manufacturing, agriculture, and services, living standards have eroded, exacerbating public discontent. The Islamic Republic operates as a hybrid system. A president elected every 4 years, a parliament, majlis, and ultimate authority vested in the supreme leader. The military includes the regular Artesh of 420,000 personnel and the elite Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps IRGC of 190,000, designed for asymmetric warfare and regime protection. Regionally, Iran has faced setbacks, with allies like Hezbollah, Hamas, and Syria's Assad regime weakened. Tensions with the US and Israel persist, highlighted by the 2025 12-day war and nuclear site strikes. Iran boasts a profound cultural legacy, from Persian poetry by Rumi and Hafiz to intricate architecture like Persepolis and Isfahan's mosques. Islam, predominantly Shia, shapes daily life, but pre-Islamic Zoroastrian influences endure. Cuisine features kebabs, rice dishes, and saffron, while festivals like Navroz celebrate the Persian New Year. Despite restrictions, arts, cinema, and literature thrive, often critiquing society. As of February 2026, Iran grapples with profound unrest. Protests erupted in late 2025 over economic collapse, spreading nationwide and evolving into anti-regime demands. Triggered by rial devaluation and austerity, they reflect deeper issues like repression, inequality, and international isolation. The government's crackdown has resulted in thousands killed across all 31 provinces, the largest massacre in modern history. Experts describe this as the most dramatic upheaval since 1979, with the regime vulnerable yet resilient through its security apparatus. Persistent protests, driven by decentralized triggers, signal an era of constant instability. Geopolitically, sanctions and regional shocks compound internal pressures, placing Iran at a crossroads between collapse and adaptation. Iran's enduring heritage contrasts sharply with its current turmoil. While ancient contributions to civilization persist, economic woes, political repression, and external conflicts challenge its future. Whether the regime adapts or faces transformation remains uncertain, but the resilience of its people suggests change is inevitable.